In the modern packaging industry, efficiency is as important as quality. Today, we bring you a sealing machine specially designed for powder products. It is known for its efficiency, cleanliness, and stability, and is a powerful assistant on your production line. First of all, the sealing machine is a vital part of the packaging process. Its main function is to ensure the sealing of the packaging, thus protecting the quality and freshness of the product. In the packaging of powder products, our sealing machine plays a particularly significant role. This sealing machine adopts advanced design and is equipped with an intelligent operation panel. It is easy to operate and can complete efficient sealing with one button start. It can easily handle both standalone operation and production line integration. Especially for powder products, our sealing machine is innovatively designed with a vacuum exhaust system to effectively avoid powder dust problems. It not only keeps the working environment clean, but also ensures the sealing of product packaging and improves the safety of storage and transportation. Dust-free vacuum technology is a highlight of our sealing machine. Even when facing fine powder, it can accurately extract air, avoiding the dust pollution problem common in traditional packaging processes, ensuring product quality and a clean packaging environment. Compared with traditional sealing equipment, this sealing machine realizes a fast, efficient, and dust-free packaging experience. At the same time, the sealing effect is better and the product appearance is neater and more beautiful. This sealing machine provides a professional packaging solution for your powder products. It is efficient, clean, and safe, and every bag is perfect. Choose our sealing machine to bring revolutionary upgrades to your packaging production. Contact us to learn more.